Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install ToolJet to build internal dashboards, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure that you have the prerequisites installed on your machine. You will need Node.js and npm, which are required for running ToolJet. Start by visiting the official Node.js website to download the installer suitable for your operating system. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the prompts to complete the installation. After Node.js and npm are installed, open your terminal or command prompt. Navigate to the directory where you want ToolJet to be installed. You can use the command cd path / your / directory to change the directory. Next, clone the ToolJet repository from GitHub using this command, git clone https://github.com/tooljet/tooljet.git . After cloning, change into the ToolJet directory with cd ToolJet. Now, you will need to install the necessary dependencies. Run the command npm install to fetch all required packages. Once the installation is complete, you can start the development server by executing npm run dev. The development server will now start, and you should see output in the terminal. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to http://localhost 3000 to access the ToolJet interface. You may need to wait a moment for the server to initialize fully before loading the page. When the page loads, you will see the ToolJet dashboard ready for use. To configure your ToolJet instance, create an admin account by following the on-screen prompts. Fill in the required fields to set up your account. After your account is created, you can log into the ToolJet interface with your new credentials. Once logged in, you can start building your internal dashboards by exploring the available features. You have now successfully installed ToolJet and are ready to create custom dashboards for your organization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.